Over the years, Empire Medical Training has been responsible for delivering the most acclaimed and outstanding programs in aesthetics, pain management, dermatology, cosmetic lasers, and weight loss, with only one purpose: to help you expand your skill set and grow your practice. And 2021 is no exception, because Empire Medical Training is bringing you 7 new programs covering today's most highly demanded subjects. Master Lip Certification, Collagen Boosting Stimulators for Facial Aesthetics, Body Contouring and Aesthetics. Meet the Ex-Perts. IV Nutrition Level 2. PDO Threads and PRP for hair restoration. If you are a current Empire Medical Training member, you can participate in all these new programs. You will also benefit from our brand new app, Empire Vault, which gives you access to an entire suite of products and services, such as the Empire Digital Teaching Platform, before and after photo galleries, specialized videos, direct access to our physician instructors, board certification exams, a calendar of events, our community forum, video Q&A, and much more. Take advantage of these exciting programs and topics. Call today to speak with an account manager or visit EmpireMedicalTraining.com for more information.